I'm Jeff Copeland with Yetter Farm Equipment, and Yetter is pleased to announce the release of our Air Assist cylinder. The Air Assist cylinder is completely repairable, comes with stainless steel rod, a durable clevis, has an external scraper, an internal wiper. Each cylinder repair should last about 10 minutes. Step 1, remove the clevis and the jam nut from the rod. Use an Allen wrench then to take the 4 screws out of the cap end that has a rod scraper. Next, remove the O-ring from the cap end of the cylinder. Put new on. These O-rings have been pre-lubed, but it would be best to use O-ring lubricant on the O-rings before you install them. Grab the other cap. Now you can replace the internal wiper. Make sure it's seated all the way around, like so. And last, replace the O-ring. Make sure all the twists are out of it if needed. And now the cylinder can be put back together. When putting back together, make sure the fittings are on the top side of the cylinder when you tighten the end caps. Replace the cap end with a steel scraper. And tighten those screws. And next, install your jam nut and clevis end. When retracted, the dimension to use from center to center is 9.421 inches.
Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to check out our complete Yetter Solution Sitter playlist at YouTube. And as always, we're here to help you find profitable solutions for your operation. So, if you need more information or have a topic idea for a future episode, drop an email to solutions@yetterco.com.